Hello everyone, it is Natalie with Crochet by Natalie Lucille, and today we're going to work on a fan stitch. And what I have here is just a worsted weight, H hook 5mm, and what you want to do is you want to chain in multiples of 8 plus 1. So I'm going to do, just for sample purposes, I'm going to do, let's make it a little bit longer so we can work on it. Let me do, I guess, 24 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's my 3 sets of 8 plus 1 plus 1. So now what we want to do, working in the chains here, and I like to work in the back ridges if you've seen my videos, we are going to make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, just insert your hook here. Oops, it didn't go through all the yarns. Hold on, let me try that again. There we go. Yarn over, or pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2. And whoopsies. And that's your first single crochet. And then what you're wanting to do in the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, from the stitch you just made, you're going to make 9 double crochets in that 1 stitch. So here's 1, you're going to do 8 more, and then you can see it pulled up a little bit of a loop. We're going to do 8 more double crochets, and it's going to create our first fan shell stitch. It's like a fantail shell stitch. 2, I'm going to turn mine because that's how I normally crochet, so I'm going to work kind of fast, and it's really just to display the pattern. And I have other videos too if you need a tutorial on double crochets and single crochets, chain stitch, and then once you get used to that, then you'll be able to work a lot of these just as quickly. So it's pretty cool. So remember, we're working 9 in the same space. And shell stitches are some of my favorite ones to make because they're just pretty. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 1 more. And to bring it flat, you're going to skip. Let's see, there's 1. It's kind of, let me see real quick because it gets a little tight. So you want to make sure you're going in the right one. So there's the ridge right there. It's kind of hard to see. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to do 1 single crochet into that stitch there. So kind of bring your work together. And then that way you can see how it lays the fan, I guess you could say, down a little bit. And then you're going to skip. I've skipped 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. In the 4th, not skip. You're going to do another 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And again, look for the next stitch over, which is right here. You can barely see it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're going to single crochet into that 4th chain, insert, yarn over, draw up, yarn over, draw through 2. So there you've made 2 of the fans, and you're going to continue this until you reach the end. So we're going to make 1 more fan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 9 double crochets right into there. One, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now what you want to do is you want to come to the very last chain here, and you're going to single crochet into that, and that completes your foundation row. So now we're going to work on row 2. So we want to chain 3, turn the work, and in that same single crochet from before you chained, you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then you're going to count in your fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that 5th, which is really the top, you are going to single crochet. Chain 2. There's your single crochet from the foundation row, and you are going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in this stitch. There's your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and you're going to continue that along the pattern. So we're coming up on our 2nd one, so we want to make sure that we chain 2, and then we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th one here, you're going to make a single crochet, hold on, and then you want to go ahead and chain 2. Again, in this single crochet, you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2. In the 5th double crochet, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 2, and then in the end, I guess once you've made it to the end, you're going to make 2 double crochets in this last space here. One double crochet and 2 double crochets. So that is your 2nd row. So you can kind of see how it's taking shape. So now we are ready for row 3. chain 3, turn your work. Okay. In the first double crochet, you are going to make 5 double crochets. Actually, this will be your first, no, I'm sorry, you need, because this becomes your double crochet, because at the end you'll do your 5, so because you want to mirror it. So in this first double crochet, you're going to make 4 double crochets. And it makes like a half of a fan. 3, well, because this one, your turning chain equals as 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, you need 1 more. And then in this single crochet, you are going to single crochet. In the previous row, you made a double crochet, chain, double crochet. In this space here, which is your chain 1 space, you're going to crochet 9 double crochets to make a fan. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're going to come to your next single crochet that was at the very top of the previous row's fan, and you're going to single crochet into that. So you can see how it's taking shape. Sorry, my legs getting stiff. So you're going to come to your next chain 1 space, and you're going to make 9 double crochets again. I'm working a little bit fast. That's 9 is a lot. And you're going to come to your single crochet at the top, make another single crochet, and then you have your 2 stitches here. That's your double crochet in the turning chain, which counts technically as a double crochet, and you're going to make 5 double crochets into this stitch. Well, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, sorry, my yarn is getting stuck. There we go. So you've completed this row, which is row number 3. You can see how it's kind of coming together. You can kind of flatten it to kind of get an idea of the texture here. Now you want to chain 1, turn your work. We are starting row number 4. In the first double crochet, because this is like the top of the original half fan, I guess you could say, you are going to make a single crochet, chain 2, a double crochet into the previous row's single crochet, chain 1, and then another double crochet into that stitch. So you're basically repeating the rows again and again. So there you made the kind of like the V stitch into that. Chain 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the top of the 5th double crochet, you're going to make your single crochet, chain 2, single crochet from the previous row, so it's a V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, here at the top again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, single crochet here, chain 2, there's your single crochet to do the V stitch in, so that's a double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain 2, and then you're going to find that 5th 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the top of the turning chain here, and you are going to make a single crochet. There you go. It's as simple as that. And then what you're going to want to do when you continue the pattern is you're going to chain 3, turn, and if you notice in the previous rows you had the turning chain, and then the double crochet here, then you had the 5. You're going to continue the pattern, so you would essentially do a double crochet in the first single crochet here, chain 2. Oh no, wait, let me make sure. Let's see. No, I'm sorry. I went ahead of myself. Let's go back. So you're wanting to start, there we go. You're going to chain 1, turn, and you're going to repeat rows 1 through 4 again. So there's your single crochet. And in here, you're going to make the 9 double crochets, and you're going to follow the pattern until you reach the desired length. But this makes a really pretty scarf, blanket, whichever one you would like. So I'll kind of lift it up so you can see. It is nice. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. And until next time, thanks guys.